37. The rectangular gate shown is hinged at B and rests on smooth floor at A. The gate is 1.5 meters into the screen. Determine the vertical component of reaction at A and the horizontal and vertical components of the reaction at B. So there's only one vertical component of reaction at A because the floor is smooth, just the vertical. Then there are two components, reaction components at B, at the hinge B. So that's the figure. Then let's locate the centroid of area and the center of pressure. Then that's the force. Distance is E. Location of the force. Then this is barred H. From the figure, barred H is 1.2 plus 2.4 divided by 2 because this is straight gate. So half of 2.4 plus 1.2 is 2.4. Then that's RA, reactions at B, and assuming to the left, Bx, By upward. Then let's call that theta. Theta is arctan of 2.4 over 1.8, so theta is 53.13 degrees. So F is gamma barred H area, so barred H is 1.2 plus another 2.4 over 2, so 2.4. So length of AB is square root of 1.8 square plus 2.4 square. So 3 meters. Therefore, the distance from B to the centroid is 1.5, half of 3. This is also 1.5. Then F is 9.81, 2.4. Area is 1.5 wide into the screen by the length of the gate, 3 meters. So F is equal to 105.95 kilonewtons. Then let's solve for E. So remember, theta is arctan of 2.4 over 1.8, 53.13 degrees. So E is height of rectangle square, which is 3 square sine of 53.13 degrees over 12 barred H. Barred H is 2.4. So E is 0.25 meter. Therefore, the distance of the center of pressure from A is 1.5 minus E. 3 over 2, 1.5 minus E, 0.25, so 1.25. While the distance of F from B is 1.75, 1.5 plus 0.25. Summation moment about B equals 0 to solve for RA. So this, take note, this is also 53.13 degrees, the angle that F, which is perpendicular to the plane of the gate, and the vertical is also the angle of inclination. So summation of moments about B equals 0. RA times 1.8, that's clockwise, equals counterclockwise moment, F times 1.5 plus E 0.25. So RA is 103 kilonewtons upward. Then summation forces X equals 0. F 105.95 sine of 53.13 degrees equals Bx. So Bx is 84.76 kilonewtons. And finally, summation forces Y equals 0. Ra By plus Ra 103 minus 105.95 cosine of 53.13 component of F, which is downward, equals 0. So By is equal to negative 39.43. So meaning to say By is downward 39.43 kilonewtons downward. So let's check to validate our answers. Summation of moment about A, the only equation which we haven't used. So we sum up moments about A, it should be 0. So clockwise moment positive. So let's begin with F. 105.95 times 1.25 plus By 39.43 because it is downward times 1.8. Then minus Bx counterclockwise, Bx times 2.4. So using your calculator there, it is almost 0. So that means our answers are correct.